Hello and good morning. It's been a little while. Let's go for a ride and a catch up.
What the f going on here? Alright, who got overloaded scooter in the commuting bingo? Because I think you can tick a box. That can't be legal. Look at that stack. Keeps the morning ride interesting. Whoa, where's that cold breeze come from? Woof. That has gone right through me. It is definitely cold enough to need your Gerbing gloves today, which is why I left the house with them, because otherwise this ride would have been unbearable. At the minute, all I've got is some very cold shins and an occasional riding ghost that goes all the way through my body. So not the most interesting of rides. I do apologise for that. And I also apologise for disappearing on you a little bit, although I hope you'd agree, understandably. Morning. Bear with me 1 second, I'm making a friend. Hello again.
Scotty, the street cafe racer scrambler is my favorite.
Oh yeah, nice.
Too much torque for city.
Say again?
Too much torque for city, isn't it?
No, not at all. No, it's just that it's not smooth. It's hard to ride smooth. But it's fun. Wasn't expecting to make a friend this morning. See you now, there's been a few reasons. One of them, I'm sure you can guess. As we've all been in the same bloody boat, multiple lockdowns make it quite hard to record. To be fair, it's been winter, you ride less in the winter. Or at least, I ride probably about as much, it's just that you can't really record because there's nothing fun about watching someone ride in the rain. It's even less fun than riding in the rain, although slightly more comfortable. And actually, I am going to blame, although I like to make my excuses always, I'm going to blame a portion of it on this bloody bike as well. Squeezy, squeezy. Because it's fine, it does its job. But there have been some teething problems with it. It's basically been very Italian, as you'd probably expect. It doesn't make it any less frustrating. And then the big one, time. I haven't had the time. Not an excuse, I honest to God have been, I don't want to say rushed off my feet, don't get the violins out for me or anything, but I had a new opportunity present itself to work with some people. I won't be cagey for too long, I will tell you as soon as I get there. But when these things pop up, you've just got to try them and see where it leads. It's been very fun. I've been making videos for somebody else. It's given me a chance to practice and improve my own skills. It's given me something to do. And it was a trial, but I'm really liking the people. It's been really fun getting to know the team. And apart from the very boring commute, there have been no downsides other than not having maybe as much time as I would like to do my own projects. But then the channel is still there and I still keep doing it. It just means that I might be a little bit less frequent. Having said that, I have a few videos in the pipeline. I did get out the other day riding, testing and reviewing. I've obviously got this to talk about, and I'll have a few things to say about it as well. Not all of them positive, not all of them, although some of them it's at least a little bit fun to ride. If you want the abridged version, it's pokey, it's nimble, it's got a tiny little tank, and it suffers from electrical gremlins that are now fixed, presumably, but they are pretty major. I mean, it's stalling on me on the middle of an expressway in the third lane without any kind of warning. Yeah, that lost it some favour. Welcome to the Thunderdome. Off you go.
So welcome to the office. I am sure one or two of you have stumbled across the videos already anyway, but Urban Rider approached me just before Christmas to see if I fancied working with their content creation team and with Andrew, who you've probably seen from their videos. But honestly, it was just a no-brainer, and I've absolutely loved working here for the time that I have, and much more to come in the future, hopefully. I love the team, love working with the team. They're all really friendly, all really nice, all really passionate about bikes, which is obviously what I like. There is only one exception to that rule. There's one person who I'm not getting on with at all and I have to work with on a daily basis, and his name is Manny. It's not his actual name, he hasn't got a name, he's a mannequin. But I've just taken to calling him that because I needed something to shout when he pisses me off. It's just silly things like your arm comes off when I don't want it to. And you're a bit too buff. If I'm being picky, you've been working out too much, you need to cut back, right? You're too swole. See you very soon for some new content. I haven't actually got a sign off, so I'm just gonna say what I always say, ta-ra. Bye-bye. You, me, this way, now.